Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I already have my first order at Cracker Barrel on DoorDash. Why did I say Dunkin'? On DoorDash, it is $7.75 and it was going like 3 miles, but it was a little drive here. So I'm gonna go inside, see if this order's ready. While I do that, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure subscribed, and let's go make some money. It was already ready, starting off this morning good. I just left the gym. I've been going to the gym every morning before I start working, and bro, my arms are jello. So this is gonna be fun, driving all day. Confirm pickup, and it's a leave at door knock. It is 2.5 miles away. Not too bad. I guess I said that too soon. Okay, now never mind. Everything disappeared and I'm sitting here like, where do I go? It came back though, so.
Head south toward Lee.
Alright, I just got here. It's an apartment on the 2nd floor, and look, like it's all white. Like there's no, everything's gone. So I'm not gonna be able to push the delivery button. Someone's alarm's going off. Oh, we're just gonna figure it out. It's just loading and loading, and it was a leave at door. I mean, I knocked because I don't want to be standing up there. It's just loading. So now I won't be able to take a picture, you know? It just keeps saying unable to resolve host. It just keeps loading because when I push this, there's like a loading symbol on it. Bruh, I thought this order was gonna be so easy to bust out. And it's loading. Alright, now it's letting me do it. Take photo. I'm just gonna take a photo of the numbers up there. I don't know. I guess that's better than nothing. So it was the $7.75 and I am getting out of here. I hope this doesn't happen again. The map was messing up earlier when I went to pull out, and now the app won't even, it won't even load. Like, so I was having app issues. I restarted my phone and it seems to work fine now. I declined this $10 for 10-mile order. I declined this order, and then I accepted this order at McDonald's. So we are heading to McDonald's to pick up our second order. I just got to McDonald's. Okay, so I'm getting a message from the customer who I just dropped off at, and she's saying you left it at the wrong address. I guess the building was wrong, but that's where it took me to. So I made sure it was her apartment number. So I'm replying back, oh no, really? That's the building it took me to. I'm already on another order, so I can't come back and get it for you. I'm sorry. I mean, all that is true, and I am like probably 3 miles away from her right now, but like I knocked on the door, so I'm pretty sure them people like open the door and, you know, they see free food sitting there. I did, you know, show the picture of where the food was left. So I believe that's the best way to handle it, is just, you know, apologize. And I mean, if she goes there and then the food is not there anymore, she's gonna have to do a refund. I got the goods. I had to wait a few minutes, but there was like 2 orders sitting up there, and I'm like, ugh, no tip orders. Like, they're just gonna sit there for a while. This is a meet at door. Looks like a house, and it is 1.8 miles away. It got super slow, obviously, like I'm just sitting, he's sitting. But the funny thing is, like, when we sit next to each other, orders like ping pong. Got leaves coming in my window. Ping pong between us, and like if I decline an order, then it will go to him and he'll decline it, or like vice versa. So that's probably what we're gonna be doing. $5 for 10.9 miles. That's a decline. I'm getting horrible orders. Either it's...
Is my back sticking out?
No. Either it's high miles or it's $2.
You got the 2 I declined.
Yeah. So I just got the 2 he just declined.
Crappy one.
They are. I mean, I'm not trying to be too picky, but I'm trying to make money.
5 miles for $2.50? No.
Yep.
No.
I just declined a 5 for 10 miles. So
I didn't get that.
it's coming to you. I think I'm gonna take this one. $6.50 for 3.7 at Taco Bell across the street. Yeah, at 10:30 I always get Taco Bell orders because it's lunchtime now. Hopefully I don't see you later. So another issue, the order was for breakfast items, and they told the guy in front of me that he had breakfast items in his, and like they can't make it. So then I looked in mine, they're all breakfast, of course. So I guess I'm gonna call DoorDash, let them know. I let the customer know already by message, and I'm gonna call DoorDash just so you know I'm paid like maybe $3. But I don't want to unassign it and then it goes to another driver and then they have to deal with this.
As a new Dasher, you will be connected to our VIP Dasher support team for your first 14 days. You are now being connected
As
to
a new
specialized
Dasher. I've been dashing for
support
2
agent.
years.
Thank you for calling DoorDash support. This is Sara. How may I help you today?
Hi, I was picking up a Taco Bell order for breakfast items, but they already switched over to lunch and they can't make the order. So she put me on hold so she could call the customer, but the customer replied. I said they're doing lunch now, so your breakfast items can't be made. I'm sorry, you'll have to cancel the order. And then she said, can you cancel the store? Can you ask the store to cancel the order? It won't let me since it's saying it's already being prepared and picked up. So I told her I'm already on the phone with DoorDash right now canceling it for you. Oh, okay, thank you. So you're welcome. Going above and beyond.
I just want you to know that you're going to receive your half guaranteed pay since you already arrived at the merchant.
Okay.
I want you to be safe at dashing, okay?
Okay.
Thank you for calling DoorDash. I guess you're all set. Have a great day and keep dashing.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Have a great day and keep dashing. Okay, so that is took care of. She said she's giving me half pay, which I believe it was like $6.50. So I'll let you guys know when I get the half pay.
Hello?
I see you sitting back at McDonald's.
Oh shit, I'm going over there then.
You see me straight across from you?
I was gonna go over there, but I was like, eh.
I had to cancel the order because it was breakfast items, so I got half pay, which is like $3.25.
Wow.
So that whole time I was on the phone with DoorDash. All right, I'm getting an $8.41 for 3.4 miles. Like that's, and I'm getting, okay, I accepted that. I'm gonna look at this McDonald's order at $4.50. That's probably gonna come to you next. It was 1.5 miles, but it was $4.50. This one's at Taco Bell too. Let me make sure it's not breakfast. No, it's not. Sweet. I'm literally, y'all know, right by Taco Bell. We've just been declining orders together. Like they just bounce back and forth between us two. And I don't know, we were contemplating on going home because this sucks. Alright, it is the next day. I've been waiting 20 minutes I have all 3 apps on. I'm sitting in a good area. 20 minutes and I finally got my first order of the day. So before I get this order, I just want to end this video out. I don't want to combine them. I don't want today to be like yesterday. So but my main concern about my order yesterday was if I would have gotten a contract violation on the order that I put at the wrong door apparently. So I was checking it all night. I think it takes, I've heard like as quick as 5 hours for like the customer complaining to actually show up on your ratings that you have a violation. But I've been checking all day yesterday. This morning I do not have one. I just have the one that, you know, I just made a video about. So if you missed this video, I will link it right here. Hopefully I don't ever get another strike again. But that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna go pick up this Uber order. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, give this a thumbs up maybe, and I will see you guys in my next video.